You're listening to the Chelsey Holm podcast, where high-functioning Christian women come to lay down performance, pick up presents, and finally come home to who God created them to be. I'm Chelsey, the wife coach, mindset trainer, and your guide back to God-first living, soul-deep peace, and restored connection in your marriage, your motherhood, and identity. If you've been holding it all together on the outside while unraveling on the inside, you're in the right place. Let's breathe deep and begin.
I used to think that I could fix my marriage by working harder, doing more, controlling more, becoming what I thought my husband wanted. But that striving nearly broke me until God met me there, not to shame me, but to show me what marriage was always meant to be, a reflection of His glory, not my performance. I'm Chelsey Holm, wife, mom of 5, and coach to women rebuilding their marriage God's way. This is High Level Wife, where we trade control for connection, perfection for purpose, and exhaustion for alignment. Because when wives rise in right order, families flourish and legacies change.
Thanks for hanging out with me today, and remember, you do not have to become something else to be loved. You just have to return to who God already created you to be, deeply you. If this episode blessed you, share it with a friend or leave a quick review. It really does help other women find the hope and healing you just received. And don't forget, your marriage, your peace, and your joy, it's not too far gone. Nothing is too broken for God to redeem or restore. God's just getting started.